everybody, Jaxie here. This is my welcome back to another video. It's my first video on phone. And what's your name going to be?
Jaxie.
I'm Jaxie.
Oh, ShadowOps.
Okay, yeah, that's ShadowOps. ShadowOps. There we go. Okay, we're just going to be climbing this. Like whenever I come to this park, I always climb it.
Just so you know, audiences, I'm quite a good wall climber.
Yay!
I'm going to reveal my face because just in case.
Yeah, just in case his mum doesn't want to. And I remember the first video I did with him, barely any people saw that. Like 2 people saw it. Anyway, he was called Xeno, but I guess he changed. What the? See why they don't run the waterfall as often as they used to? What if the waterfall just starts going on now, and then we all just get flooded and we slam down, then get knocked on a rock, and then we get unconscious, and then bugs start eating our eyeballs out, and then we die from infections. Final Destination scenes make you go weird.
I'm going to stick.
I found a better one before though. Awesome quality. Incredible job.
What is that? What is that?
What's what?
That.
What's what?
I swear I just saw a bunny. I swear I just saw a bunny there.
Or a squirrel.
I swear I saw a bunny.
Or a squirrel.
Yeah, I'm not going to reveal my face. Hey audience,
Yeah?
I'm going to reveal my face at the end of the video.
Face reveal, guys! Oh my god. Face reveal. Oh crap, I just really impaled my leg and my dry bones. Oh! That's how you know you play Mario Maker too much. You say dry bones instead of bones.
Oh.
Galumba. No, it's Galumba. Why does everyone call them Galumbas?
I don't know. I am a fan of Mario Maker 2 and I've uploaded my first course.
Yeah, he had problems with internet stuff and also parental stuff, and you can't get onto the internet because parental controls. So, .p colon capital P. That I know. Off. 20% battery. Let's go, guys. I fell into the fence. Fly goes into your ear every single day. If a fly entered your ear every single day, then left every single day, what would you do about it? I would eat the fly. I made a fact file. Well, I just started making a fact file of me cheating on my girlfriend, GC. I'm not cheating. Stop saying that I'm cheating, Red Sea.
Reverse down.
Yeah, you can catch it anyway.
Nah.
10% remaining? What the frick? It literally just said 20%.
And just so you know, I'll probably leave on cliffhanger for the audience and tell them that.
My stuff's stuck.
Yes, it's fine.
And I'm dangling off. It's a lot higher than you think. It's stuck even more now. I'm gonna try and jump. Oh! It kind of just ripped off, and that's why I fell. Oh look, there's a foxhole. I'm still gonna use my tablet more. I think that goes even deeper, but I'm not gonna investigate. I'm investigating. No, I'm not investigating because there's probably slugs in there. And for some reason, I have a fear of slugs. Don't ask why.
Hey!
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But
Are
look
you
what I found.
okay?
I found a broken piece of glass.
Broken.
Beer glass. Green bottle.
Okay. Who wants a cringe zoom? Does Black Ops? What's your name again?
Black Ops.
ShadowOps.
ShadowOps.
Does ShadowOps want a cringe zoom? My tablet's well better at doing cringe zooms. Jesus.
Yeah! Hey audience!
What? You shall not. What if the video ended just then when I said that? On my wa, Masindaru. On my wa, Masindaru. Nani? No, okay. A Mayowa. Macinderu.
Nanny.
Face reveal, kids. Let us go. It's the face reveal time. It's the face reveal time.
It's time for my
Beauty and the Beast. See, look, the drop was higher than me, and I was actually falling from there to there, so it wasn't as high. But you know.
more pieces of glass.
I'll give you a perspective of how high this actual thing is. Beauty and the breast.
Pass.
It's bigger than a tree.
Almost.
Kiddos.
It's
Not that tree though. And then we'll go down to the bottom to show you the actual scale of it. What does that do? I don't know. I'm just clicking it. It's not doing anything. So I expect it just takes pictures.
where my stick is, folks. I threw it.
You snapped it.
I threw it. There.
Oh. Oh no. New shoes. £105 shoes flex. £105 shoe flex. Weird flex, but okay. Oh.
I need to get my stick back.
It's like 10 times the size of me. Where is it? Where is it?
I don't know.
Is it here? Oh, it's that one.
There's this one.
Oh, same thing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Let's go to the very bottom. Usually water runs down there. Usually we play poo sticks. And it's like...
And also this is my first time. This is my second time being on video.
Yes, technically. It goes even further than that because it goes behind there. But you won't know the scale of it. And also, whenever we used to play poo sticks, we would put like sticks in here, make like a little roller coaster through each of these ones. Nanny?
Oh, then the waterfall just stopped.
No, oh. Okay, why is the waterfall not on? We need content, YouTube. Give us content.